People don't always say what they mean, but their behaviour always tells the truth. Welcome to the Control Code, where we decode the lies, the manipulation, and the control hiding in plain sight. From narcissists to gaslighters, from ancient mind games to modern manipulation tricks, we reveal what most people are afraid to admit. Stories that disturb you, insights that wake you up, and truths that might change the way you see the world and yourself. Decode, control, survive. This is the Control Code.